Tired of confusing bank transfers and slow processing times? You're not alone. Let's dive into the simple and speedy ways to get your money moving to Vivid. Vivid is a popular digital banking platform that offers a range of features like budgeting tools, savings pots, and even investment options. But how exactly do you get your hard-earned cash into your Vivid account? Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Method 1. Bank transfer. The most common way to fund your Vivid account is through a bank transfer. Find Vivid's bank details, head over to the deposit section within the Vivid app or website. You'll find the necessary bank details, including account number and sort code, or IBAN for international transfers. Initiate the transfer, log into your online banking or use your banking app. Enter Vivid's account details as the recipient. Enter the amount, input the amount you wish to transfer. Add a reference, optional for easier tracking, add a reference like John Doe deposit or the date of the transfer. Confirm and send, review the transfer details carefully and then confirm the transaction. Important notes. Processing times. Bank transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Potential fees. Check with your bank for any potential transfer fees. Method 2. Top-up cards. For faster funding, consider using a top-up card. Many prepaid cards or debit cards can be linked to your Vivid account. Link your card, in the Vivid app, go to the deposit section and select Link Card. Enter card details, enter your card details as prompted. Top up your card, load your card with the desired amount using your existing bank account or cash. Transfer to Vivid, the funds from your top-up card will be instantly reflected in your Vivid account. Important notes. Card limits. Check your card's daily or monthly spending limits. Potential fees. Some cards may have associated fees for top-ups or transactions. Method 3. Instant transfers, if available. If your bank offers instant transfer services, you might be able to fund your Vivid account instantly. Check for availability. See if your bank supports instant transfers to Vivid. Initiate the transfer. Follow your bank's instructions for initiating an instant transfer. Confirm and pay. Confirm the transfer details and authorize the payment. Important notes. Fees. Instant transfers typically incur higher fees compared to standard bank transfers. Availability. Instant transfer options vary depending on your bank and country. Tips for smooth transfers. Double-check details. Always double-check the recipient's account details before initiating any transfer. Use a reference. Adding a reference makes it easier to track your transfers. Contact support. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Vivid customer support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.